Alright, so we're gonna install our valve today. And it's a T17 230 stainless steel. So it's just a thermostatic valve. So what happens is you have your pressure switch here, pressure handle, and you also have your temperature handle on that as well. And it's pretty sweet how that works. Alright, let's do this. So this comes off first. This is a stopper, construction stopper. So this is what you would have during the construction process. Just before you install everything, it stops the water from kind of circulating through. That's garbage now. This piece, garbage. All right, next we have this guy. And I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on it because you have these rubber gaskets there, and you really want them to go in nice in there. Let me drop down the level here. Oh yeah. All right, POV. All right, so there's really no up or down on it, so we're really just gonna go in, and that goes into those back too. And you really want to put grease on those because you don't want those gaskets to roll over themselves. There we go. All right, next goes our actual mixing valve. So on this one is the Delta. There's no up or down on it, it doesn't say it, but I've noticed that this guy is down. So that's kind of what I've noticed. And again, let's put a little bit of grease on this gasket because we don't want that to roll over in here. So that piece is down. We're gonna slide this in. Okay, so put pressure on that. So on the side you have these, you see that triangle piece? They gotta meet up. So that's gotta go in there like that. So okay. All right. So put this over, make sure that those are inside, and then tighten it. So usually it's nice to go left until it clicks, and then go right. Here you go. And honestly, this doesn't get much tighter than hand tight. Like if I put channel locks on there, it really only, I'll do it, but it really doesn't get too much tighter than that. So yeah, I'm just scratching it. All right, next we have this rubber thing. Rubber seal goes over that. Put it right there. Then we have our sleeve. Sleeve slides over that. Then we have our cover. We have our cover. So all the writing's got to be positioned correctly, right? So that will go over that. Now find those screw holes. That's one. That's two. Always try to use just a regular screwdriver because yes, you're gonna spend maybe a minute extra, but you're not gonna over tighten and snap those. Because if you do that, then you gotta restart. I'm going fast. Here we go, come on. Come on, Billy. We got this. We got this Delta valve. So for this, what I'm doing here, the plumber typically charges me $150 to do. That is outrageous. So you're gonna be able to do this by yourself. So tighten them kind of at the same time. So that one, couple of turns. That one, couple of turns. Couple of turns. Don't need to go Hulk on that because it's gonna stay fine. All right, next is our handle. Right, so we gotta line these babies up. So that slides in over that. And you have this doohickey. And then you have this guy goes over that. So losing it. Alright. So that goes over there. This goes over like that. And then your screw goes in. And again, screwdriver, not screw gun. Because if you rip that thread, then your mom's gonna be pissed. Because you started a business doing construction, you're not making any money. That's what happens. See? Alright, not too tight. Alright, and then this guy goes over that. Bang. Wipe it all down. And there you have it. So that's our pressure, that's our temperature. So what's cool about these valves is that, let's say this is your pressure, this is your temperature. So turn the water on, set the temperature to whatever, medium or medium high, and then when you're done, you just turn it off. So then next time you go to shower, you just turn it on and it's back to that temperature. You don't have to try to find it and try to dial it in every time you shower. So you turn that off, and then if you put this all the way down, then it's back to cold. So on full pressure, you could turn it down, but the temperatures would be the same even though the pressure is different. So that's what's cool about these Delta valves. All right.